Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel on analytics, machine learning, and AI. In this playlist, I will cover various aspects of Azure Data Factory, not only conceptually but also through hands on examples. Before diving into Azure Data Factory, let's look at why we need Azure Data Factory. If your organization is considering moving to the cloud, or wants to integrate data with minimal code, or perhaps needs to combine different types of data sources such as batch and real time data, or your organization has more complex orchestration requirements, such as creating process flows between big data, machine learning, and AI use cases, or wants to integrate seamlessly with the latest continuous integration and DevOps tools. In all such cases, Azure Data Factory may be the answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. We will cover a lot more in future videos. Please check the resources section below to see the links and resources available for this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and don't forget to hit the like button.